Here is how I meal prep leftovers to make them healthier, go farther so I can save money. Grab a bag of your favorite vegetables and your favorite protein. Here I use tofu and some beans for added fiber and saute them up. Grab your leftovers. Here I have some Indian food. It's called paneer korma. That's what I'm going to add to the vegetables to make them really saucy and delicious. This is the leftover rice. We can meal prep with this too. I add half a cup of rice to each serving of food. And then I add 1 cup of the stew I made per serving. This is like 4 servings. Look how much food we have left for later. It doesn't even fit in the bowl. Freeze it if you would like it to last even longer. Make sure to like this video and please give me a follow. Thanks guys. Bye.